Hi, I'm Craig Resson with TestOut, and thanks for joining me for the tip of the month. Our topic now is how to verify that your students are truly ready to take industry certification exams. The last thing you want to have happen is for a student to go and take an exam prematurely, fail it. It can be hard for students to overcome. So we want students to be successful. Today's tips are how you can go into TestOut tools and verify that your students really are ready. So let's share some tools with you. First of all, when students go into the course, they have, and I'm going to jump into the actual course content here. We're going to use TestOut PC Pro as an example. So say your students are preparing to take the TestOut PC Pro and or the CompTIA certification exams. You'll want to click next to the home icon, the outline icon, and at the bottom of the outline of chapters here, you'll notice that there's a location where students can access a certification exam prep. So if a student, say they're preparing to take the TestOut PC Pro certification exam, they can click here, and we have this practice exam available that they can click on. Each time they take this, it randomly pulls from a larger bank of questions, and if students are scoring 90% or better consistently, they should feel confident to go and do well on the live exam. The same principles apply for the CompTIA practice exams. So in this example, I want to take the Core 2 practice exam, a large bank of questions, and each time I take it, it randomly pulls from that bank. Again, if I'm scoring 90% or better, I'm ready to go take the live exam. So let's show you how now as an instructor, you can verify that students are performing at that level of proficiency to be successful in the certification exams. Let's go back to the home account here. Now I'm logged in as an instructor and I have my class here. I can click on reports to the right of my class. And one of the reports is called certification practice exam scores. Let's go ahead and click on that. And now I see the roster of all my students and I can see their attempts on those practice certification exams. One of my students in this particular class has been extremely aggressive and wants to take both the PC Pro and the CompTIA A+ Core 1 certification exams. I want to verify that Josh is truly ready because the last thing I want for him to do is go take it prematurely. So I go in and I can see Josh's attempts. I can see Josh scored a 91%, then an 83%, 83 again, and 81%. And by the way, you can see the dates next to these as well. So you can kind of see how Josh has been progressing in his exam prep. Also, I see that Josh's highest score in preparing for the 220-1001 Core 1 A+ exam is a 92%. So I may approach Josh and say, you know, Josh, I want you to score in the 90 percentile for both of these exams at least one more time before I'm willing to go ahead and schedule the TestOut Pro certification exam for you, and also before I'm willing to give you the voucher to take the CompTIA certification exam. I hope that this has been helpful for you. Thanks for all you do for making a difference in the lives of your students.